Hi guys, this is Dipen Gogoi, and in this video I'll discuss about the Tata Motors. And in this chapter I will covering three factors, right? One is company history, and the next fundamental analysis, and the third will be technical analysis, right? In our company history, just I will cover a little more summary, and the fundamental analysis I will explain, is it the best opportunity to invest in the Tata Motor, or how they are doing business. So it is better for investment, or we can stay away from Tata Motor for the long-term investment. So in the fundamental analysis I'll discuss about that one. And another, you can say, technical analysis for the trading, who people are day trader or swing trader or positional traders. So they can how they will trade, where is the supporting line, and where is the entry point and exit point. So everything I will explain in the technical analysis. Before I start about this company, so please you do subscribe and like this button, and I'll analyze for you definitely. If you have any position, any company, right, any company, you just leave a comment. So definitely I'll analyze for you, and I'll show you and I'll teach you the most important, who never I think never taught you till now, how to invest in a company, how to analyze fundamentally, and how to find which company you gonna invest. So that is the most important thing I gonna explain here, right? So let's get started. First, company history, and the first company start one by one, right? So Tata Motor headquarter, everybody knows, in Mumbai, and the total revenue right now up to like May, this is the May 2019 data, right? 43.7 billion revenue, remember this one. And Tata Motor first established 1945, before independent India was, right? So at that time, during 45, India was under British rule, right? So Tata Motor Engineering and Locomotive Co Limited, first time when they are establishing, that was the name. And the first time 1954 they start making commercial vehicle. At that time, first they start to create like make commercial vehicle. They are not creating any like passenger vehicle, right? With the venture of a joint venture with Daimler Benz of Germany. That was Germany company, right? And 1991, first time they create, I think everybody know about that one, Tata Sierra, right? Tata Sierra, I think you heard this name. First commercial vehicle, not Indica, not Sumo. First time they created this one, Tata Sierra, right? And 1992, Tata Stat. I think everybody seen this. Still, this type of car is running, all model type, right? Next, 1994, Tata Sumo. It is very popular, right? Tata Sumo, everybody knows about the Tata Sumo. And the 1998, Safari and Indica. Indica is still running, and the Safari is somewhere more, right? Safari, new Safari is coming, I think. I don't know exactly, but Safari started 1998. And 2004, 2004, and Tata Motor acquired a Korean-based truck manufacturing company, right? The name is a little more complicated to pronounce, because I don't know I'm pronouncing properly or not. Daoyu, that is South Indian name, very difficult to pronounce. South Indian, Chinese, Japanese name, right? Not only for me, I think you people also, right? Some very tough name, people's name also very tough, Ching Sung Chang, like that, right? So it's a forget. So you just correct yourself, what is the how to pronounce that one, I don't know exactly. Okay, and you can see on this 27 September 2004, Tata Motor listing New York Stock Exchange. This is a big news, right? In India, like Indian, very less company are listed in New York Stock Exchange. Among them, Tata Motor also listed, right? So let's see the next page. So here we can see, and the next page we can see in 2005. In 2005, Tata Motor acquired, right, 21% controlling stake on a Spanish bus and coach manufacturing Hispano Carolosi, sorry, very tough name is Hispano Carrocera, right? This is a Spanish company, very difficult to pronounce even also, right? And 2006, Tata Motor formed a joint venture with the Brazil-based Marco Polo. So we know Marco Polo, right? Maximum buses are constructed by, or they're writing below their sticker, the Marco Polo, right? Everybody, I think you have seen Tata Marco Polo bus manufacturing fully built bus and coaches. So I think you people are seen these buses, right? And 2008, Tata Motor acquired English car maker Jaguar Land Rover, right? Everybody know this is a most of the people have a dream car, right? Land Rover, right? So there was a very controversy. I think everybody knows when Tata decided to acquire this one. Everybody said that this company Tata have taken very wrong decision when they're going to acquire this Jaguar, right? Everywhere news or everywhere people are explaining Tata have done big mistake, right? But Tata is always Tata, because last more than almost near to 100 years they are running their business. They know properly, right? When they are going to take decision, that means definitely Ratan Tata are going to take big decision, right? We salute that guy, definitely. I like that guy especially. And the manufacturer Jaguar and Land Rover from the Ford Motor Company, right? Ford Motor Company. From where they taken this one? Ford Motor Company. And 2009, Tata acquired full ownership of Hispano Carrocera, which is like this one Spanish company who first 2005 they acquired 21%, right? After that 2009, after 4 years later, bought whole company, right? Acquired whole company ownership by Tata, right? So 2010, you can see next to 2010, Tata Motor acquired 80% stake in Italian designer and engineering company Trilix for that is euro symbol, right? 1.8 million, not a US dollar. This is euro, right? That is a different currency, and that is why I told you just subscribe this channel, and I'll show you what is the forex trading, how to forex currency or transaction, everything I'm explaining, right? And 1.18 million. And in 2012, Tata Motor announced it would invest around 6 billion the development of futuristic and infantry combat vehicle, right? Collaborating with the RDO. This is our research center, DRDO, right? And 2014, Tata Motor introduced fast track racing championship in India, T1 Prima Track Racing Champion. Like you people know about the Formula 1 racing like that, and the Tata Motor first time launched track racing, right? So this is the Tata Motor history, and the next I'll discuss about the fundamental analysis about the Tata Motor. Is it the best opportunity to invest in a Tata Motor for the long term or not? Is Tata Motor is doing a good business or not? If they're doing a good business, so definitely we'll invest in Tata Motor, or if they are not doing so, we'll leave it, right? So that is why I'm going to talk about 9 steps. If Tata Motor pass this 9 steps, so definitely I'll go for invest. But remember, among the 3,000 more than 3000 company on stock exchange, right? So among the 2 to 3% company are past 9 step. Remember, very tough. Most of the people are saying just see this XYZ that things and you just do the fundamental, not like that. If any company pass this 9 steps, so definitely we'll go for invest long term, right? First thing, you can see revenue continuously grow, net income, net profit continuously grow. I'll show you one by one, right? So let me tell you, cash operation continuously grow, less competitor or nil or company monopoly, and the long-term growth rate more than 20%. I'm not going to invest that company who have 2%, 3% long-term growth rate. I wanna add more and more money, and I wanna get more and more profit. So I need more than 20% growth rate for the investment, right? 5%, 6% like bank are giving. If I deposit your money, bank are giving like that, right? So if you are going to invest, that means definitely you are looking for a huge like a large return, right? So 20% is enough. Net profit margin higher compared to industry. So I'll compare with the industry. What is the net profit right now running in Tata Motor compared to under other company? And return on equity, which is called ROE, continuously high, and or it must be more than 15%, and that company should have less debt, and or continuously they reduce their debt. And later I'll discuss about intrinsic value, right? Intrinsic value, most important. Intrinsic value will tell us either company like share price is too high or still they're selling in a discount. So that thing I will discuss, right?